In a world where every school brings a new ad, how do you make yours stand out? Hi, I'm Brandon from Pixelab Studios, and in today's video, we're going to unravel the formula for creating video ads that not only catch the eye, but also captivate the heart and mind. We'll delve into optimizing every layer of your video ads, from striking stylistic choices to meticulous production details and savvy strategic placements. Ready to elevate your video ads from mere interruptions to engaging narratives? Let's get started. User-generated content is a goldmine for authenticity. It leverages the voices of your actual customers who share their experience in a way that feels organic and unscripted. This approach can significantly boost your brand's credibility, as viewers tend to trust the word of fellow consumers over traditional marketing messages. The power of a well-told story cannot be overstated. Story-driven narratives can evoke a wide range of emotions, from joy and laughter to empathy and inspiration. By crafting a narrative that viewers can see themselves in, you create a personal connection that transcends the screen. This emotional engagement is key to not only capturing attention, but also fostering a deeper relationship between the viewer and your brand. The quality of your video ad speaks volumes about your brand. High-quality production can enhance the viewer experience, making your message more compelling and your brand more prestigious. Collaborating with a professional video team ensures that every cut, frame, and soundbite is crafted to perfection. Each social media platform has its own set of norms and user expectations when it comes to video content. Optimizing your video ads for the specific platform it will be viewed on can greatly increase its effectiveness. For instance, vertical videos are essential for stories on Instagram and Snapchat, while longer horizontal videos may perform better on YouTube or Facebook. Now, understanding these nuances allows you to tailor your video ads to fit the viewing habits and preferences of each audience on the platform. Accessibility is a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of video ad optimization. By ensuring your content is accessible to viewers with disabilities, you not only expand your audience reach, but also demonstrate social responsibility. Simple additions like closed captions for the hearing impaired and audio descriptions for the visually impaired can make your content more inclusive. The digital world offers a wealth of data that can be leveraged to refine and improve your video ad strategy. Utilizing analytics tools provided by social media platforms allows you to track a variety of KPIs, from view counts and engagement rates to click-through rates and conversion rates. This data offers invaluable insights into what's working and what's not, enabling you to make more informed decisions on everything from content and creative strategy to budget allocation to make the most of your investment. By focusing on authentic engagement, production excellence, and strategic placement, your video ads can transcend the typical and become memorable experiences for your audience. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, it's these connections that can turn viewers into loyal customers. Eager to transform your video ads into captivating stories that inspire action? Click the link in the description below for more insights, and if you've got thoughts or questions about creating impactful video ads, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and here's to making your next video ad your best one yet.